If squats make your knees scream, stop doing them. There is a safer way to build your power. For many over 50, the deep compression of a squat does more harm to the joints than good for the muscles.
Today, I'm showing you 4 glute exercises that are more effective and much kinder to your knees than squats.
Your glutes are the biggest muscles in your body. When they are strong, your back pain vanishes. Pull.
These movements isolate the engine without putting the brakes on your joints.
Subscribe to Senior Strength now for daily tips on building a body that feels younger every day.
When your glutes fall asleep from sitting, your lower back has to do all the heavy lifting. That's why you hurt. We are going to wake up your glutes and take the pressure off your spine and knees forever.
Let's start with the most important floor move for anyone over 50.
Exercise 1 is the glute bridge. It's the ultimate squat alternative because your knees stay stable.
Keep your feet hip-width apart. Drive through your heels, not your toes. This ensures the back of your legs does the work.
Notice there is zero pressure on the kneecap. This is pure, isolated strength building.
A strong backside means a straighter spine. You'll feel taller after just one set.
Exercise 2 is the bird dog. This targets the glutes while simultaneously armoring your lower back.
Keep your gaze on the floor to keep your neck long and relaxed.
Kick back as if you're pushing a heavy box away with your heel. Don't arch your back.
Your core should be as still as a tabletop. No wobbling allowed. This cross-body tension is what gives you superior balance while walking.
Repeat this 10 times. It's a slow dance of stability and power. Balance isn't just in your ears, it's in your glutes.
Exercise 3, the lateral lift. This targets the glute medius, the muscle that prevents hip sagging.
Stand straight. Don't lean to the side. Use the chair only for a light touch.
You don't need a huge range of motion. Even a small lift fires up those side hip muscles.
Keep your toes pointing forward. If you turn them up, you lose the glute activation.
This muscle is your lateral stabilizer. It stops your hips from swinging when you walk. Holuk.
That burn is a good sign. It means your hip joints are getting the support they need.
Now, stepping over roots and rocks feels safe and controlled.
Exercise 4 is the seated squeeze. You can do this anywhere, even while reading.
Sit tall. Imagine there is a string pulling the top of your head toward the sky. This pumping action brings fresh blood to the hips and lower spine, aiding in healing.
It's the easiest way to keep your engine warm throughout the day.
More muscle means more metabolism. You're burning calories even while sitting.
Squats require a lot of ankle and hip mobility. If you don't have it, your knees take the hit.
See the difference? The bridge gives you the muscle without the joint danger. Look at the ceiling, not your knees. Keep your neck neutral to avoid strain.
If you have a rounded upper back, a small pillow can make this exercise much safer. No space between the floor and your back.
This protects your discs.
As your glutes get stronger, your tight hip flexors finally get to relax.
Say goodbye to that tightness in the front of your hips.
Don't kick toward the sky, kick toward the back wall. Height causes back pain, length builds strength.
Try the stick test. It should touch your head, your mid-back, and your tailbone.
Imagine you are being pulled from both ends. This creates decompression in the spine.
This is core glute integration. It's the gold standard for senior fitness.
Morning stiffness is often just lazy muscles. Let's wake them up.
If you lean, you're using your back, not your hip. Stay vertical like a tree.
The wall is a great feedback tool. If your shoulder touches the wall, you're leaning too much.
This tiny muscle is what keeps you from waddling as you get older. A level pelvis means your knees and ankles are in perfect alignment.
Power in golf comes from the hips. These moves will add yards to your drive.
To make it harder, try squeezing for 10 seconds. Focus on the mind-muscle connection. No one even knows you're working out. This is the ultimate stealth exercise.
Don't squeeze your knees together, just the glutes. This is about isolation.
Strong glutes also help support pelvic floor health, a vital benefit for seniors.
Confidence returns when you know your body can handle the load.
Do these 4 moves every other day for a month. Your knees will feel 10 years younger.
Consistency is the only secret to results. Don't break the chain. You aren't just exercising. You are building your independence.
Remember, heels down, hips up, squeeze the coin. This is your foundation.
And remember, flat back, reach long, stay steady. This is your armor. Remember, stand tall, lift small, point forward. This is your balance. Remember, sit tall, squeeze hard, breathe deep. This is your maintenance.
Your body is a machine. Keep the engine tuned and the frame strong.
You've got the tools. Now, let's get to work.
Aim for 10 to 15 reps. If you can do 20 easily, it's time to move slower.
Slower movement means more time under tension. This builds muscle without heavy weights. Oxygen is the fuel for your strength. Feed your muscles with deep breaths.
Peace of mind comes from a body you can trust.
Once your glutes are strong, walking becomes your favorite cardio because it doesn't hurt anymore.
Look at that stride. That's the power of the glutes in action.
Contrivium partitioning. Strong glutes even help your shoes last longer by correcting your gait.
Everything is connected. The hip is the bridge between your feet and your spine.
No more shifting around to find a comfortable position.
Do these before you go for a walk. Waking up the glutes before you walk makes the walk 2x more effective.
It only takes 60 seconds to prime your body for movement.
You are the boss of your body. Take charge today.
Strong glutes pull your pelvis into a neutral position, saving your discs from wear.
Every day is a new opportunity to get stronger than yesterday.
No problem. You can do the bridge and bird dog on a firm bed.
As long as it's not too soft, your bed is a perfect gym for these moves.
Don't rush. 1 rep at a time. 1 day at a time.
These exercises also help maintain bone density in the hips, crucial for longevity.
Get back down on the floor with confidence.
Ho!
Squats are great for some, but your health is unique. Listen to your body, not the gym rules.
Bridge, bird dog, lateral lift, seated squeeze. Your new 4-move protocol.
Strength is your inheritance. Claim it today.
I want to hear from you. Which exercise gave you the best squeeze?
Look at that alignment. That's what senior strength is all about.
We believe in movement that heals, not movement that hurts.
I've seen hundreds of seniors change their lives with these moves. You are next.
Drink some water. Your muscles need it to repair and grow.
The road ahead is long. Let's make sure you have the engine to travel it.
It's not about being the best. It's about being better than you were yesterday.
Thank you for trusting me with your fitness journey. It is an honor to help you.
Move better. Live longer. Feel stronger.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next workout.
If your back still feels tight, click here for my top 5 spinal decompression moves.